2:39 in the morning. Gotta catch our 5 a.m. flight. The girls are not finding my sense of humor very funny this morning. Gotta give them some Starbucks or something. Rumble in the Rockies. Where were you, Jay? Ooh, how's it going? We're here, Rumble of the Rockies, 8:08 in the morning. Finished my workout just now. Making some changes on this trip. I think one thing you'll see a lot, in this journey is a lot of leveling up, a lot of growth and stuff. So this is day 3 of no smoking. First day I was a little bit of a Grinch, but day 2 was a lot easier. And day 3 we have the Barber Expo. I'm gonna hit the lazy river afterwards, relax, and then I have a 6 a.m. flight, so I feel like day 3 is gonna be okay. And then my other big change is I worked out on the road. Never done that before, so if I can add the no smoking and the working out on the road, I think those are gonna be two big changes for me. I'm excited. The girls are upstairs getting ready. I think the education starts at 10 a.m. So I got a few hours. I'm gonna get some breakfast, and I gotta take care of my team, so I'm gonna take them out, and we'll get ready for a big day at the show. Rumble in the Rockies. I'm excited. It seems like it's gonna be a good crowd. Probably one of the biggest shows I've been to since the Barber Expo. So I'm gonna pace myself a little bit. And I hit the vendors hard, last week in Arizona. I don't know. I want to make a little bit more video content. Forgot my microphone. That's the only bad thing, but not gonna let it stop me. I'm gonna keep moving. Probably want to hit Rolda today. Rolda's probably my big target on the sponsors here. Main reason why I want to target Rolda as a sponsor is because I checked their product out. I like their product. Even if they weren't going to sponsor me, I would probably carry that line. It's just different. It smells good. It's different enough that I would carry it. So that's probably who I'm shooting for, because I probably want to buy $1,000 worth of product anyway. So if there's a deal to be worked out, there's a deal to be worked out. That's what I'm shooting for. But let's go upstairs. Let's get these girls their coffee, get ready, go get some food, and get ready for Rumble in the Rockies, baby.
Omelette. French toast.
French toast or waffles? French toast, me. Oh yeah, we don't mess around. Pancakes. There. That's right here too. Oh yeah. Okay, we're finished with our break. How long was that? 45-minute break. Show's going on. We're gonna go see the crowd. Just had the best nap ever. Thank you, Cassandra. Best nap ever. We're rejuvenated. Time to go get a drink and some food, right?